crap.
Wow.
Don't put
You're pretty. Alright. Okay guys, so we're heading out on our trip to our little summer family vacation. Where are we going?
We're gonna have fun!
Yay! So we have Daddy driving, of course. And I packed surprises for the boys. You ready for your first surprise, guys? What did you get? I mean, let me see yours. Whoa!
Beautiful!
Yeah, so we're gonna be going to Negril. That's like a 4-hour drive from Kingston. Just a quick stop at Unported to get some smoked marlin dip. We don't want to make any stops. Yeah, we don't want to make any stops on the way other than for gas. So we're trying to have some Melba, I don't know, it's a little mini bread toasted things. Yeah, so we have some Melba bread toasted thingies. And we're gonna just have the smoked marlin dip with that, and hopefully that'll hold us for the 4-hour trip. Yeah, we're still in Kingston, Constant Spring, at the new plaza. It's pretty nice. What happened? Okay, this is turning from play to angle. And here comes my baby. Awesome, there it is.
Break it. You're going to make it break, then I can't have it.
Ready? What you said, Emmy?
Mommy.
Mommy. Did you say mommy? I'll take it.
He almost said mommy.
Yeah, because he usually calls me mama.
Say mama.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Oh, he tried to say mommy. Yeah, baby.
Yep.
Hey, Royalton Negril, we're here. Okay, so we made it to the hotel, guys. Babies are here. Waiting on Hobby to park and then checking. We're so excited. Hi, guys. And we're out in our swim out pool area. It's kind of shared. So I'm in my Hermoza swimsuit. I think it's called Las Islas. It's really nice.
Wait, you just say I think it's called?
I think. I'm not sure if that's the name.
What?
the swimsuit name. I know the brand.
Oh.
But
Oh, I thought it was a brand you were talking. I was like, don't do that with the brand.
that's mommy for you, y'all.
Amy, come on, backside. Come here, Liam. Amy.
Look in the back, Emmy.
Look on this now. Look on this.
Ready? Take off my clothes. I'm getting in.
Go.
Yeah.
One
Yeah,
pizza,
yeah.
2 pizza, 3 pizza,
That's
4
true.
pizza. How much?
So cute.
70 pizza.
You did not
70
eat
each.
70 pizza. That's
70?
not true.
70 pizzas.
No.
When I eat my tummy's not enough pizza.
Not you ate 70 and it's still not full?
Morning, and I'm just taking some videos for my travel channel. Hopefully you can see a whole tour of the resort, Royalton Negril. The name of the channel, I'll put the link in the description down below. It's Caribbean Stays. Just catching up. Hi, Papa. Hi. And this cool kid here. Yeah, so we're heading to get some breakfast bright and early when no one is out. That's so cool. You like it, John?
Alright.
Ready. Set, go.
Put back my shirt. Well, no, we can't leave yet.
Bye, Chummy. Yeah, so the water is really nice here, guys. Really, really nice and warm.
Because I hate cold water.
Great job, Alex. That was
Here,
a
Emmy
real
is. He's
rescue.
tired.
Somebody's enjoying that burger.
Emmy, you eating fries?
I look for now and then. No more burger. The jerk chicken wasn't good. Or the jerk word. The jerk chicken wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad. It's not like our authentic Kingston jerky.
No, Jamaican jerk chicken. Anywhere we go.
Is it not close? Them live different here.
Must be so. Alright, thank you so much. So we're here waiting and everybody's on phones except me. It sucks. So, he has my phone. See, she's on her phone. Right there. And he just woke up from a nap. So every show we put on, after about 2 minutes, he needs us to change it.
This one?
At least she didn't use spit, so celebrate that, Emerson. More food come. See there. Go and take a bite for your camera. That's how she sound right now.
That's my sound effect. Thank you. Thank you. Got some pastry. So these were one of my surprise toys for the long trip.
And it's working.
And
no to me. Edward, you not listen. No. No.
What happened? You want to eat this? Please?
Please. I'll go away.
Mm. Oh my God, his face. Oh my God, your face.
I'm so lonely.
One. And two. Good morning, it's day 3 and we are heading to breakfast now. And it is raining. No good. Okay, so we just got done finishing our breakfast. And a little bit of everything. Do you need help? Huh? Oh, awesome. You need help? Oh, you can do it? You need help? You need help? Okay. Yeah, you definitely know what you're doing. You're 2. You ready, Emmy? Hi, Emmy! Are you at the beach?
I did.
What are you making? What are you making?
I'm trying to make a new hole for the water.
Can anybody explain what she's doing? Why? Why go on your head and just spin in a circle? Yeah, hi, I see you. What's that? What's that one there?
Run.
Beautiful, come out, the camera waiting on you. This is a really long wait.
It's worth the wait.
Watch out.
This is our last night here, and it's our last dinner that we're having.
Yo.
And he just got more pizza for the boys, fries, curry gold, rice and peas, jerk pork chop, and I have chicken Alfredo pasta. Yeah, so we had such a good time here. It was really nice. But sadly tonight none of the a la carte restaurants are open, so we're dining in the regular dining room. That's what it looks like. Back here is where you get the food.
This trip was just for the kids. Why you having the juice?
That's why I was recording.
Camera that I'm still gonna get my why you having the juice? Ask you if you want or you know.
Just a taste. Look, just a taste. Here to
How much time you going to taste it? Off camera. Ooh, knocked out cold. Eat full belly? Done. Right after dinner on the way back to the room.
last day. Hi, Emmy. Eating breakfast. Yummy, yummy. You enjoying your breakfast, too? Alright, don't put your hand on your clothes. Last day. Okay, get this mask off and just getting some breakfast and then heading out. Is it recording? It just started recording.
Come.
No.
Come. Come here. Come, let's go quickly, please. He needs to be restrained, okay?
You see, guys? Daddy has a hermit crab. Want to touch it, Leon? Just pet him. So brave. You want to touch it, Emmy?
You want the crab in your hand?
You want to touch?
No.
You want to touch it?
Alright, let me let him go.
Little honey.
Let's trap him somewhere.
No, not trap. Put him somewhere safe so he doesn't get crushed, right?
Ready?
Yep. End of the vacation. Ready for the long ride?
Back to
My baby is always late. A day early to the party, but that's okay. She's on my bed playing video games. I'm watching her over my shoulder, still lying here wide awake. She rolls over and steals all of the sheets. She don't care, she won't lose no sleep. Now can you just